Karma is drawn from a Hindu philosophy, but it's one that is known universally. For many in the West, karma is a simplification of justice served. You reap what you sow. For Balinese, karma pala is a spiritual principle that each action has a consequence equal in force and similar in form. This year's festival will explore the impacts of our personal and collective actions on our social and physical environments. The compelling conversations between literary luminaries, emerging writers and journalists will ask whether we truly understand the consequence of our actions and how we can best respond to the actions of others. The discussions, powerful performances, literary lunches and after dark events will delve into the heart of every gripping story, decision and consequence. With 180 storytellers coming from over 30 countries, we can't wait to welcome you this October to our 16th year celebration. We guarantee you'll get good karma from joining us this year.